Two large.
Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm making cookies. Our ingredients are flour, chocolate chips, sugar, baking soda, vanilla, 2 large eggs, some salt, and some butter. First we have to mix flour, baking soda, and salt. And we mix it up. Going to a different color. Now we have to put this in the side. Now we have to mix sugar with butter. Can you help me do the butter? Now you mix it up. You mix it up. My mom will help me do with this mixer. Or you can cover your ears. Do one. Or you not. Do one. Wow! Look, it's turned into butter sugar. We need to put vanilla, splatter on me, and mix. Now we need to add the eggs. Can you help me? Let me see. What? What? I want to do it. What? There's no baby chicks? What? I thought there was baby chicks. Mix slowly. Now we have to add the flour slowly. touch the tray because it's super hot. So you don't want to get your hand burned. Now let's wait with me. Now the cookies are cooled down. I will taste the first cookie. Is it good or not? Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe. Hit the thumbs up